Hello learners, this is the second video of the series Master Pattern Printing using Python. In this video, I am going to tell you how to print a triangle using asterisks and spaces. In this program, I will tell you that only one for loop and a bit of string manipulation is enough to print the triangle. Okay, so this is going to be the question number 2 of the series. Here it is. This is the pattern of some asterisks and spaces between the columns of two asterisks. Okay, very common one. You will see this kind of pattern in the syllabus of all the schools and colleges throughout the India and globe, I guess. I don't know exactly, but I guess this might be there. Anyway, so here's the code. All you need one for loop for in range from 1 to 5, that is 6 is not included in the range, and one print statement inside of the print function. I will manipulate this string. See, this is the asterisk, and after that asterisk there will be one space, and then you are going to multiply this string with I. What does it mean? It means that when the value of I is 1, that is for the row number 1, only one asterisk will be there and a space after the asterisk. When the value of I is 2, that is for the column row number 2, there will be two asterisks and two space after the asterisk, and so on. Similarly, consider when the value of I is 5, there will be 5 asterisks and associate spaces along with that. That's it. Very simple. If you run this code, you will see this pattern will be printed.